Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about ExxonMobil. And so what you have seen for a couple of these stocks, this is one of the example in ExxonMobil. So you can see the stock has risen from its lows and given make a high of 80%, and again over a period of time in the past 2 or 3 months the stock has fallen down and given up most of its gains, and it is probably moving toward its lower end of the range. So understand the trend, and we are going to discuss about the importance of this trend and important support and resistance level which you need to look at. Okay, so this is your trend or the current levels which you need to look at. So here it is. Okay, here you have your trend. Now as you can see here, the stock has taken a support at $33.92, and if it breaks down then it will probably move toward 30.53. Now this 30.53, if you just look at the long term trend, so I already made a video on that, you can check out probably the long term trend as well. This is one of the big support levels, okay, at 30.53. So this will definitely act as a big support level if the stock indeed falls towards 30.53, but we can't say that because this range is very narrow and it is just $3 worth of range, and probably if this is the final low, we can't say anything about that we need to check. But let me just tell you that this 30.53 is a very important and very old and big support level, so this will definitely acts as a big support and stock could probably move up from this level. But if it won't, then you should be prepared for a big breakdown from this level or below this level. So this is the first thing you need to know and understand. So then we have to look whether this will take support here or here. On the upside, you have your first resistance or target at 38.49. Then you have 41.32 on the upside. Then you have a range in between 46 to 47 will act as a resistance or target, and then you have a big target of $55, which is the current high or the previous high which the stock has made in the month of June. So this is your entire trend. So this will again give you an opportunity to have this kind of rise, because the way the stock has fallen, it's probably indicating something. And with this, the stock has very near to its long-term support levels. Okay, this is not only the daily or hourly support level, but this 30 in between 30 and $33, this is a long-term support level as well. So it will definitely act as a very big support, and going down below this level will definitely cause some trouble. So place your stop losses accordingly and understand the trend and take decisions accordingly. And if it indeed goes up from this level or this level, so you can place your stop losses and definitely go for a big one if you are taking positional. Otherwise you better go with one step and another. So if the first target has met, you can trail your stop losses, go for the next one or then again next one. So you can act like this as well. But these are the things which you need to look at, and for both the sides, if you are long short, then decide accordingly and act accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.